Hi, Ken B here again. I want to create a playlist today and show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get your music files in one place, and I prefer to eliminate all the spaces and change them to underscores and make the file names as simple and short as possible. Here are some examples that I'm using, and over here I've SCP'd into HomePy LightShow music directory. Now, of course, there's a sample directory. You don't want to use that. You want to create a new directory and name it Christmas or something. Go into there. And then copy all your files over to the Pi. Alright. Okay, now to confirm that your files are there, go to your LightShow Pi directory, if you're not already there, and then ls-al to get all of the files, music, Christmas, and you can see your files are there. Now it's time to create a playlist, and we'll run python tools/playlistgenerator.py. Enter the full path to the folder of the songs. That would be home Pi, LightShow Pi, music, Christmas. Okay. Now, if there are no unusual characters in the file name or in the metadata for the MP3, it should generate you a valid playlist. We'll look at that next. Okay, so we'll look at the music directory again, or the Christmas directory under the music directory. And we can see that there's a .playlist file in there. Now, if we want to look at it, we can do more music Christmas .playlist, and we can see the metadata here is pulled out and the file names, and everything looks good. Now edit config/overrides.cfg and go to playlist path, and by default it will be music sample.playlist. You want to make it music Christmas.playlist, the file that we just created, and then save that. Now we can run synchronize lights with the defaults. And your pre-show should start, and then after 10 seconds and it's working. Now, two other possible commands that you can do, and this is mainly for testing and confirming that your setup is correct. If you do not edit your overrides.cfg file, you can do this command, sudo python pi synchronize lights.py, and then -- playlist equals, and then your playlist, and it should play the next song in the playlist, which it is doing. Now we can break out of that. We can also look at the -- file equals option, and that will play a specific file if you have the path correct. And so we can do that. Again, there's a 10-second wait for the pre-show, and that can be configured as well to get rid of that if you want. And there's the music. Good luck. Thanks again. And check out my other videos about pixels, pixel controllers, and all the rest. Have a good one.